How to fade text. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Start by selecting Type Tool and click anywhere in Program panel and type the text you want. Now use Selection Tool and change the length of the text. Now go to Effects panel and search for Dissolve. Drag and drop Film Dissolve effect into the start of your text. Now we have this fade in effect. To change its duration, hover mouse above the edge of the effect until you see this icon. Now click and drag it to left or right. To fade out the text, just drag Film Dissolve effect into the end of your text. But now let's undo changes. Go to Effects panel and right-click on Film Dissolve. And select Set Selected as Default Transition. Now select your text in timeline and press Ctrl+D. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.